Hello everyone, today we will learn the field management in a shapefile. First of all, we will learn how to hide or unhide the multiple fields, and then how to delete multiple fields and how to add multiple fields. All of these tasks you can doing within a single click. Let's start. First, we will add our shapefile and check the attribute table, and here you see that all of fields in your attribute table, but you want to work with a few of fields and rest of them you want to hide. So let's check how to hide. Click the properties of your shapefile, then go to fields, and here see that there is turn all fields on. If you uh, click here, then all fields will be on, and if you click here turn all fields off, then all fields will be hidden. And if you click here apply, see that no fields are available in here. But if you want to check the union word or more than, so then select and click apply. Now you see only two fields. So by uh, choosing the fields according to your purpose, you can doing this. So let's now check how can we delete the multiple fields from the shapefile. For this we have to go to the data management tool, and then fields, and then delete field. Now select your shapefile, and now select which field you would like to delete. If you want to delete, for example, or if you want to delete all of fields, just select all. And if you want to select accept the Purushoba Mojana, and you want to delete except this C field, and all of the fields you want to delete, so select them and unselect only 3D, and then click OK. Now see the magic, all of the necessary field according to your purpose will be deleted. Now you see that deleted field message, and here you see that the field you want and rest of the field is deleted. And now if you want to add multiple fields in your database, you can doing this. It's take much time. For example, you want to price, then double, and by this way you need lots of time, but it can be done in easy way, and this is the easier. Just click add field and then click batch, and here input table, and just click field name, and I want to field name as for example people total. Total people, and it will be double, and I want to do this as male female, other, and then just right click here. Okay. And just click. The length of the field must not be larger than 10. So that means we have to and if you count this, it's almost 3 to 5 6 and it will work. It's within 10 and then click OK. Now you see that the field added in your database, and by this way you can add multiple fields in your study area or in your project map, and you can delete multiple fields which save you times. Thank you.